Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 8 science class based on chapter 2. Let's start our class. Dear students, it's our lecture number 6 and today I will provide you SW number 5. And today our topic is chapter 2 and today we will read the chapter and it will be your part 1 from chapter 2. Let's see the chapter. Our chapter name is Growth and Heredity of Living Organism. Growth means development, which is normally any organism do this growth by cell division, and Heredity means the characteristic of gene which carries by gene and from generation after generation it will carried by gene. Now let's see. The body of all organisms consists of cell and all cells arise from the division of existing cells. That means any cell will produce from its previous one. Unicellular organisms multiply by cell division. In this way, one cell divides into 2 and 2 forms into 4. Normally, if we consider any unicellular organism, that means single celled organism, from one single cell, if they use binary fission or if they use mitosis, from one single cell gradually it will develop into 2, and then from this one another 2 will produce, and from this one another 2 will produce. That means what? From one single cell 2 cell will produce, then from this 2 cell another 4 cell are produced. This is said here. They diverge further in the same manner, and this is how growth of living organism takes place. The cells found in most multicellular organisms originate from the division of a single cell. The life of a multicellular organism originates from the zygote, the union or fertilization of an egg and a sperm. That means in case of all eukaryotic organism, their life will start from zygote. After the zygote, all of their body cell and other part will develop from zygote. If we consider it, this one is an egg cell and this one is a sperm cell. Egg cell normally become in large size, and it is sperm cell. Okay, this one and this one, these two cell is haploid. That means they contains n number of chromosomes. This one also haploid, and when they fuse, from this n and this n combined, and from 2n number of chromosome, and they form zygote. This zygote contains 2n number of chromosome. Normally n means haploid number of chromosome. And 2n means diploid number of chromosome. N means haploid number of chromosome, 2n means diploid number of chromosome. we know that in human body we contains normally 23 pairs or 46 chromosome. So if we consider haploid and diploid number, in case of human haploid number of chromosome n equal to 23 in case of human, and it is haploid number of chromosome in human body, and if we consider the diploid, then it will be 46 or 23 pairs. Okay, that means in our body haploid number of chromosome number is 23. That means in egg cell 23 chromosome present, and in sperm cell 23 chromosome present, and when they combine they form zygote, and in zygote 46 chromosome will present. And that's why egg cell and sperm cell are haploid and zygote is diploid. Now let's see. Cell division provides the basis for one form of growth for both sexual and asexual reproduction. Normally any organism do their sexual or asexual reproduction by cell division. There are three kinds of cell division. One is amitosis, another is mitosis and meiosis. Amitosis cell division normally occur in lower organism, in protozoa, look here, bacteria, yeast, and mitosis and meiosis, normally meiosis occur in higher organism, and higher organism in reproductive organ. Meiosis normally occur, and mitosis occur through mitosis. Mitosis can take place also in somatic cell, and some organism do their reproduction by mitosis. By using mitosis they can produce vegetative reproduction by mitosis. Okay, then amitosis. At first let's see. Amitosis cell division occurs in bacteria, yeast, fungi and in amoeba. Unicellular prokaryotes produce through amitosis cell division. The nucleus elongated and become dumbbell ball shape and bell shape, and become cylinder in the middle, and gets separated from each other to form two nucleus. Here the spelling of 2 is wrong. At the same time the cytoplasm, here also the cytoplasm spelling is wrong, also elongated in the middle to form 2 cells. In this kind of cell division, the nucleus of mother cell and the cytoplasm get directly separated to form 2 cells, hence it is called direct cell division. At first, what is amitosis? Let's see. Here mother cell, new thing is come for you, mother cell. From which cell new cell will produce, we will call that cell as mother cell. Okay. First cell from which the new cell will produce, that will be known as mother cell. Suppose I am considering this one as the primitive cell from which new cell will produce. So it will be mother cell. Okay. Here this one will be nucleus, and this one here it will be cytoplasm. In amitosis, gradually the nucleus and cytoplasm become elongated. Okay. Gradually, look here, it's become elongated, and this one is cytoplasm. Also here the loop will produce, and gradually this will become shrink and cut the connection. Look here. Here it is shrink mode. And finally it is separated. Finally this one, if I consider this will cut and it be separated. If we see this is the process of mitosis, and here nucleus and cytoplasm directly divided. That's why this another name of mitosis is direct cell division. Question can come, what is direct cell division? So answer will be from mitosis, or give the description of direct cell division. Then you have to give description of mitosis. Okay. Then here I have mentioned that from which cell new cell will produce, that will be known as mother cell. Okay, mother cell. From which cell new cell will produce, it will be mother cell. Okay, and normally mitosis cell division, now we will discuss about mitosis and meiosis. In case of mitosis cell division normally take place in somatic cell, and meiosis cell division normally take place in reproductive cell. And as we are telling that from which cell new cell will produce, that's why we are telling that as mother cell. If we consider a mother cell in case of mitosis, if we consider a somatic cell, in case of mitosis we will tell it mother cell. And in case of meiosis, from which cell it will new cell will produce. In case of meiosis normally occur in reproductive cell, and as we call them the primitive one as mother cell. So in case of meiosis, the first cell will be reproductive mother cell. First cell of mitosis from which the cell division start, it will be mother cell. And normally mitosis occur in somatic cell, and meiosis occur in reproductive mother cell. First cell from which the meiosis cell division will started, we will tell it reproductive mother cell. Now let's see, in case of we are carrying 20, all of human are carrying 23 pairs of chromosome. Among these 23 pairs, 22 pairs carrying the somatic characteristic, and one pair is known as sexual chromosome or sex chromosome. One pair is 22 pair is known as autosome or somatic chromosome, and one pair is known as reproductive chromosome or sex chromosome, sex determiner chromosome, you can say that also. So now come to mitosis. Somatic cells of higher plants and animals are divided in mitosis cell division. Now what is mitosis? The process of cell division by which nucleus and chromosomes of a eukaryotic cell gets divided only once is known as mitosis. That means in this type of cell division, nucleus and chromosome divides only one time. In this process, the nucleus of mother cell is divided only once and produce two daughter cell. Newly produced cell will be known as daughter cell. If we consider this as mother cell and from it through mitosis two new cell will produce, then these two will be known as daughter cell. Daughter cell. In this process, the nucleus of mother cell is divided only once and produce two daughter cells bearing similar characteristics and having same size, quality and the number of chromosome. That means it is the characteristic of mitosis cell division. In case of mitosis cell division, nucleus and chromosome will divide only once time, and the newly produced cell characteristic, size and chromosome all will be similar with the mother cell. That means they will be identical with mother cell. They will be identical with mother cell. That's why mitosis ensures increase of height and breadth of the body of animals and plants. The cells of the meristematic tissues of plant increase their number by mitosis division. That means mitosis normally occur in growing region. That means meristematic region or growing side of any animal, and through mitosis cell division two new cell will produce and they will carry the similar characteristic. That's why, and their size, their chromosome number, everything will be same with the mother cell. That's why this mitosis is also known as equational cell division. Here some feature of mitosis cell division are given. Let's see. Mitosis cell division is the division of somatic cell. In this process, the nucleus of the mother cell is divided only once. Mother cell is divided into two cells of same quality. The number of chromosome of daughter nucleus and mother nucleus remain identical after mitosis cell division. In mitosis division, each chromosomes equally divided lengthwise along the centromere. As a result, number of chromosome of the two new cells remains same as the number of chromosome of the mother cell. So mitosis is also known as equational division, and short your knowledge based question can come, why mitosis cell division is known as equational cell division. Now let's see the meiosis cell division. Here meiosis cell division occurs during the formation of reproductive cell from the reproductive mother cells. The characteristic of meiosis cell division is that the nucleus is divided twice and the chromosome divide once. As a result of cell division by meiosis, the number of chromosome of daughter cells become the half of the number of chromosomes of mother reproductive cells. In this process, 4 new cells are produced which contain half of the chromosome of mother cell. Hence the cell reduction division, hence called reduction division. Generally meiosis occur in reproductive mother cell during the formation of gamete. Now let's see the description. From a reproductive mother cell through meiosis, reproductive mother cell is 2n. From meiosis cell division occur in 2 steps. In first step, cell division occur and haploid chromosome number cell will produce. Here 2 cell will produce and the chromosome number will be n, and from these 2 cell another 2 cell will produce. They also carrying n number of chromosome, that means haploid number of chromosome. That means from a reproductive mother cell 4 reproductive cell will produce. In case of mitosis, newly produced cell will be known as daughter cell, but in case of meiosis, newly produced cell will be known as reproductive cell or reproductive daughter cell, you can say reproductive cell. First one is that means meiosis cell division will start from reproductive mother cell and from reproductive mother cell through meiosis reproductive cell, that means they are carrying n number of chromosome. Reproductive cells will produce. And what are the reproductive cell in case of animal? Egg, sperm, that means they are carrying haploid number of chromosome. And in case of meiosis, look here, there are some characteristics of meiosis. First one, in case of meiosis, nucleus divide 2 times, but chromosome divides only 1 times. That's why the number of chromosome become half in the newly produced cell. That's why it is known as reductional division. In case of meiosis cell division, nucleus divide in 2 times and chromosome divide in 1 times. That's why haploid number of chromosome goes to newly produced cell. That means the chromosome number become half. Then if we compare with mother cell, chromosome number become half. That's why it is known as reductional division, and meiosis cell division only occur in reproductive mother cells, and newly produced cell will be known as reproductive cells, and we know that what are they? Egg, sperm, etc. Now let's see where mitosis occur. Mitosis takes place in the somatic cells of all eukaryotic organisms. The meristematic tissue of the growing part of the plant, apex of stem and roots, growing leaves, buds, etc. Show this type of cell division. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells of the animal body, developing embryo, and during asexual reproduction of lower animals and plants. Dear students, we have finished our class for today, and there is a SW for you. You have to do your SW number 5. Okay, you have to do 5 knowledge based question. 5 knowledge based question. 5 knowledge based question from today's topic. Okay, you have to do your SW 5 knowledge based question from today's topic. Today what we have learned? We have learned what is amitosis, what is mitosis, and what is meiosis. Then we have learned the procedure of amitosis. Then we have learned what is mitosis, the characteristic of mitosis, then why mitosis is known as equational division. Then we have learned what is meiosis and why meiosis is known as reductional division, and some characteristic of meiosis we have learned here, and also we have learned where mitosis cell division takes place. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.